out. I'm gonna call you back. Oh, Lord.
Nah, this should be good. Oh yeah, I do see. I do see. Alright. No problem.
It's been a long day, but I finished everything that I set out to accomplish today. I've been wanting to do this stuff for a long time, and so I finally got it done today. So now, as you guys know, I hit the yard a few weeks ago with the Stay Green natural-based fertilizer, plus the Stay Green liquid lawn aerator. And man, the yard has responded very, very well to it. I love how the yard is looking. I love how everything is turning out. It's real green, it's full, everything is nice, it's clean. As you guys can see, I mowed it today, and man, it responded very, very well. So I'm gonna be hitting the yard with a second dose, and I'm gonna be adding the Stay Green multi-nutrients liquid to it today also. It's another line, product line from the Stay Green line. I think I should show you guys, bring it to you guys. Stay Green is actually killing it right now for the big box fertilizers. So this stuff, you can all go right into the store, pick it up right off the shelf, take it home, and use it right away. So let's go to the table. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be mixing everything up, and we're gonna spray it in the yard. So stay tuned. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna be using today. So today, I am gonna be mixing everything into a 2-gallon pump sprayer. Not using the hose-in sprayer today. I'm gonna be using the 2-gallon pump sprayer. But like I said, a few weeks ago, this is what I use right here, the Stay Green liquid lawn aerator 2-in-1 soil conditioner. I use that on the yard along with the natural-based fertilizer by Stay Green. Now today also, I'm gonna be adding the liquid Stay Green multi-nutrients. It's a 3-in-1 soil conditioner also. The liquid lawn aerator has sea kelp and humic acid in it. This one is gonna give you all your micronutrients. So this is a good combination for us homeowners, DIY homeowners, to go right in the big box store and pick up something. These type of products you only see online from like high-end companies. So you can order most of the stuff on Amazon, but for us DIYers that like to just go right in the stores, these are the products by Stay Green that are actually killing it right now. As you guys can see behind me, my yard, like I said, has been responding very, very well to these products, and I'm going to keep it that way. I am going a little aggressive on this humic acid and these micronutrients right now. So it said I could be using it at a 0.5 up to 2 ounces per 1 gallon of water. But I'm gonna be using both of them at a 2 ounce per 1 gallon of water. So 2 ounces from the liquid lawn aerator, 2 ounces from the multi-nutrients. So I'm gonna mix it into the 2-gallon pump sprayer. Now, when you're mixing products into the 2-gallon pump sprayer, you wanna make sure you fill it up with halfway with water first, then you add in your solutions, mix it up, and then you top it off with the rest of the water. And I'm also gonna be putting a little bit of Market Blue down so I can see where I spray, so I don't do an overspray. And I'm gonna add in a little bit of Dawn dishwashing soap for a surfactant. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm using an old Spectracide measuring cup here. I washed it out, so you keep those, you could save them, reuse them for measuring and anything of that nature. So let's go ahead, let's get these products down. Remember, before mixing your products, gonna shake up the bottle first. This is how it looks. This is the liquid lawn aerator. 2 ounces right there, going right inside the 2-gallon bucket. That's it for that one. Put the top back on. Do not want to spill your products, waste your money. I'm not into that. Lawn multi-nutrients, 3-in-1. Another 2 ounces, and that's how it looked. Yep, see, I wasted about $1 worth of product right there. Nah, just all right, so there we go. Cap it off. Now you're gonna put some Market Blue in there. Now you don't need much. The more you put it in, the darker it gets, but I didn't measure that, just eye test it right there. Don't need much. You can see it on the ground. And then Dawn dishwashing soap. Now, with the Dawn dishwashing soap, you just want the regular Dawn dishwashing soap, not the antibacterial. You see these ducts on here? That's the one you want. This is soft enough for the ducts to get cleaned in. This is soft enough for your lawn. So, and you're just gonna eye test it here. Some people measure it out, put about 1 ounce or 1 tablespoon. No, yeah, about 1 tablespoon in, or 1 teaspoon. You don't need much. This stuff works very well. So now, all you gotta do now, I'm gonna close it up, but I'm gonna actually finish topping it off with the rest of the water. So, and clean up this bucket, so stay tuned. All right, so now I'm topped off, like I said. So once you get it inside your pump sprayer, you're gonna shake it up, make sure everything is mixed real nice. And it's very simple. And then you're just gonna pump it up. Now, this is a cheap pump sprayer that I got at Walmart. It has 4 fan tip settings here. This is a very, very cheap pump sprayer. Like I said, you want to put it on the fan spray. You want it to actually flare out so you can get spray a wide range as you're walking. So the Market Blue is in there, so you don't have to worry about overlapping, overspraying. So let's go ahead, let's get this product down. Now you want to make sure you just pump it until it's tight. And like I said, you don't need no big fancy pump sprayer. This is a basic one. I think I paid maybe $13 or $14 for it. And it comes with all the settings, like I said. You just want to pump it up real nice. Now, as I'm gonna spray in the yard, these products need to be watered in, but a little pro tip. I'm gonna spray it on the yard. I'm gonna let it sit on the yard for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and water it in deeply. That's a little pro tip. A lot of pros do that with these spray products. They let them sit on the grass blade for a little bit, like 30 minutes, then they water it in for maximum results. So let's go ahead and get this product in the yard. Now, when you got the market blue inside, you're gonna be able to see it. I know you guys ain't gonna be able to see it back there because I don't have no one helping me here. But you're just gonna spray and walk. And this market blue makes it real easy to see where you sprayed at, so you don't have to overlap. And like I said, since I pumped it up, the tank up real nice, I'm getting a nice spray. And you don't need to really spray too heavy. This stuff is gonna get on the grass blade, it's gonna stick because you got the surfactant. And try not to walk in the product. I know sometimes we can't help it, but it's okay. Because like I said, you never want to take your clothes back in the yard. I mean back inside the house after working in the yard all day. So take your clothes off at the door, put it straight into the wash so you don't contaminate anything inside the house, especially if you have small children or pets. Now, a lot of these products are pet friendly. I'm not sure about the liquids here, but I know the natural-based fertilizer says pet and people friendly. So, and like I said, you're just gonna walk at a nice pace and spray everything. Now, since I already sprayed this whole half right here, now it's kind of easy for me because I did the stripes in the yard, so I'm just following the stripes. But like I said, if you got the market blue, you will see where you sprayed at. So it's very easy. Us homeowners, us DIY homeowners are getting good products out of these big box stores with good results. So doesn't take much, you guys. Sometimes, you know, being out having a nice lawn, some people kind of discourage you when they use a lot of these fancy products. So it doesn't take much. This is all supposed to be fun. So as long as you're having fun in your yard and the yard is to your liking, that's all that matters. All right, so let's get this done. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm finished spraying the product down. It's been a long day for me. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. It might be a short video for you guys, but it was a long day for me overall. As you guys can see, I went from basically sun up to evening, but I had to get that tree branch down. It was bothering me. That was one of like my little pet peeves. Like every time I sent my sprinkler system out, the water would hit that branch and it would kind of obstruct the watering on that side of the yard. I wasn't getting a full watering system, so I said, you know what, let me get that branch down. And so now I'm happy that I got it down. So now I get the full water on the yard. But as you guys can see, I'm completed everything today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up on it. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to stay in tune with me when I drop another video. And like I said all the time, we'll be back with another video. As you guys can see, the yard is looking great, and I'm gonna keep it that way all summer long. So stay tuned.